Okay, we have some breaking news now. A magistrate court in Yaba, Lagos State, has granted bail to the embattled NSAS protester Peter Eronmosele Adene in the sum of 1 million naira. The court rejected the request by the police for an order to detain Eromosele for another 30 days to enable them to conclude investigations into the allegations against the defendant. Our correspondent, Tokunboh Taiwo, is at the magistrate court and joins us live now. Tokunboh, bring us up to speed with events at the magistrate court today. These bail conditions are looking quite strict for someone who has no formal charge against him. Bail sets at 1 million with two shorties of the same 1 million, and one of the shorties must own property and they must both be taxpayers. What's your take on this?
Yes, it's been an exciting day for Eroms and his family. They were absolutely euphoric once the verdict was given. It was supposed to start from 9 a.m., but unfortunately proceedings didn't start until about 11 a.m. And even before then, there was quite a few skirmishes here and there, as security personnel didn't allow relatives and supporters to actually go through. And some of the legal representatives had to actually set them straight before they were allowed in, and even at that, not everyone was allowed in. And then they had to move from court 4 onto court 1 for the proceedings to take place. But at the end of the day, like you said earlier on, Layla, a $1 million bail, sureties were also included. They had to be taxpayers, like you said. 1 million naira, just to correct myself there, 1 million naira. And then there was a lot of excitement once the verdict was given, and the supporters of Eroms were really excited. We spoke to the lawyer and he was ecstatic as well. And we also spoke to the mom. We actually have her here. It would be good to sort of hear what she has to say regarding all of this. I've got her here. Her name is Florence Adene, and she's here to talk to us. Let us know exactly how you feel regarding today's verdict.
Today's verdict?
Can I get you to look into the camera?
Today's verdict gives hope for the common man in Nigeria. Today's verdict shows that there is still equity in this nation and there is still justice. Today's verdict shows that the judges can do the right thing. The judiciary is still the last resort for the common man. Today's verdict shows that the future of the Nigerian youth is in their hands and they should continue to ask for the best. We have rejected that Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world. We reject Nigeria being the poverty capital of the world. We are saying Nigeria cannot be complacent and be contented in poverty in the midst of plenty. We are rejecting that. Nigerians must enjoy, just like the senators are enjoying. We are paying their salaries and they are enjoying. Every Nigerian have the right to enjoy in this nation. And I said to the Nigerian youth, this one was okay generation. I doff my heart. Aluta to all the Nigerian youth. I stand with Eroms. Thank you.
Now, just before you go, let me quickly ask. Now, you know, we've got the 1 million naira bail and then a few sureties. How do you feel about that? And is that going to be achievable or possible?
It's achievable. It's chicken feed. It's chicken feed. Owo to ba niye abuku kan. Oluwa ti san. The Lord has paid it. And Jesus paid it all on the cross of Calvary. It's chicken feed.
And just one more question. Now, there was a lot of skirmishes earlier on during the day as security personnel were basically preventing people from going in. What can you say about that, and how did that make you feel?
No, they were just afraid. They were just afraid. Eroms is an influencer. That's the problem. And their fear. Eroms is the owner of an NGO called Belefu Naija. If you Google Belefu Naija, or you go online, or you go on YouTube, look for Belefu Naija, Eroms feed hundreds of people every day in this nation. Eroms have been to the IDP camps in the north. Eroms have gone to orphanages in this Lagos. I can count them. He's been to the Heritage Orphanage. He's been to the Strong Tower Orphanage. Eroms have been to many orphanages. He has been to the General Hospital to take care of hospital bills, surgery fees for the less privileged people in this nation. That's what Erom stands for, and everybody knows him. So at Alausa, he was the one taking care of the protesters' welfare, because he's the welfare guy, and that's what he knows how to do best. So Eroms, Google it, Belefu Naija with Eroms. That's what he does. He gives people skill, graduates that have no job. Eroms train them for free. Eroms clothe people. Eroms clothe people. Belefu Naija with Eroms. And I'm a proud advisor to that NGO. To the Nigeria youth, you are the winner. Any day, anytime. A luta continua, Victoria Center. Thank you.
All right, then you heard it from the defendant's mother there, Florence Adene. She's giving all of her thoughts regarding what happened today and how excited she is regarding the verdict that was given as well. I think I'm being told at the moment that we still have one more person that we can hear from, and that's the brother. Can you come along? Yes, tell us your name and what you do.
Okay, my name is Precious. I'm Erom's elder brother, but a cousin, and also I'm his manager because he's an artist. And so far, I've been his manager. So that's all.
All right, please do tell us, your thoughts regarding the turn of events this afternoon.
Firstly, I'll say all thanks to God Almighty, because with God all things are possible. And I still also want to say this, that with what happened today in the court, I still have faith and hope in my country. And let me say a kudos to the judge, because she really did a great job in there. She used her initiatives and also did a great job. We believe that, yes, there is still justice, and we, the Nigerian youth, we still have hope for our future.
Now, you talk about the judge and the great job that she did. Can you tell us, your thoughts regarding the lawyers as well and how they handled the entire proceedings?
Firstly, I would say in terms of the lawyers, so far we still have competent lawyers, because the way they presented everything to the judge, a simple narration, a simple explanations, a contradicting to what the police lawyers gave down, and I believe it was just a free and fair judgment.
And just finally, what do you think this win means for the EndSARS protest?
Well, it goes a long way, because I'm very sure that for the remaining people who are still in the custody of the police right now, we believe they will also get justice by the special grace of God, and the Lord will never leave them also and their family, definitely.
All right, then, thank you very much. So we heard from the mother there. We also heard from the brother just now as well. It's been a euphoric day for the Adene family and the entire protesters and his family and supporters as well. The entire day hasn't gone very smoothly, but in the end, they were quite pleased with the outcome. Back to you in the studio, Leila, Indi, and Adeswa.
Mother there, and it was palpable. I could almost feel it, to think that her son was picked up from the house, even though the police said he was arrested on the protest ground 10 days ago, taken to Abuja, which we do hear was denied in court today. Perhaps, Tokunboh, you can, if you monitor the court proceedings, we heard there were deniers that he was taken to Abuja.
Yes, that's what we heard. But I had asked a few of his supporters. They told us that he was actually taken there. One of the organizers of the EndSARS protest, who we saw last, I think, on the 7th of November, on the very day that Eroms was actually arrested, he told us that's what happened. But like you said in court, that was not the case. So conflicting stories there.
The gaslighting I was talking about, the
Thank
fact
you very
that...
much, Tokunboh.
Thanks, Tokunboh. The fact that